Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to reset the Optimum router. If connectivity issues are the primary reasons why you are resetting your Optimum equipment, use this checklist for the most effective results. Check if all cables are properly plugged in. Loose connections weaken the signal. A good rule to go by is finger tight connections to both wall, outlet, and the equipment. Ensure the equipment is powered on and no fuse is blown in the power outlet. Plus, look for any worn out wires and replace them if necessary. Make sure the equipment is placed as close to the center of your home as possible from all hindrances such as metal objects, electronic devices, concrete walls, and etc. Because these can interfere with the Wi-Fi signals, the wireless signal must not face any physical obstructions upon transmission from the Optimum gateway device. If it does, you may not get a dependable connection on your Wi-Fi enabled devices. Verify that you are trying to connect to your Optimum network with the correct credentials, meaning the correct network name and password. If you forgot your network info, you can get it from a net router. Reset your Optimum internet box. If you don't find anything out of place from the checkpoints listed above, it is finally time to go ahead and reset your Optimum internet equipment. Whether you are using a single wireless gateway device or two separate pieces of equipment, follow these steps to reset your devices. Power off your Optimum gateway device or modem and router by removing the power cord that is plugged in at the back. Once the connection disconnects, all status indicator lights should go off. If this doesn't happen, your device may have a battery power supply which you will need to remove. Wait for a couple of minutes before you reinsert the battery and reconnect your device to the power source. Be patient and let your modem take its time to power up. Once it is done, all status indicator lights on your devices will become stable, indicating that it is non-powered and connected to the internet. Once your equipment has properly rebooted, check if all your wireless devices are back online and test your internet connection. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.